In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges of your HP OfficeJet Pro 9120 E series printer. You can also do it for any other printer in this series. First step is to make sure your printer is switched on. Open the front chamber. Wait for the ink chamber to move and come into the middle, that is here. To remove the previous ink cartridges, you have to just press the ink cartridge inside. Automatically it will come out, or you can just take it out with your hand. So there is a spring at the back. Once you press it, it will just throw the ink cartridge out. So you take your new ink cartridge, remove the packaging. So this section like sliding, and that's the back side. Look for the HP logo on the top. Match alphabets here. So, and also match the color. You just have to place it there and push it in with your finger. You will hear a lock sound when you install it. And that's the last one. Close the ink chamber. Go to the main screen and just wait for the ink to update. If you want, you can also check the ink level. For that, you can go to the menu, go to the supplies, select ink cartridges, and it will display the estimated level of ink. So this way we can replace the ink cartridges in this printer. Thanks for watching.